Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus is probably one of the most versatile and transformative smart lighting products available today, offering a seamless way to add vibrant, customizable color and dynamic lighting effects to any space, whether you're looking to enhance your home entertainment, create immersive gaming ambiances, or simply set the perfect mood for any occasion, making it an excellent addition for anyone seeking to elevate their living environment with intelligent and visually stunning illumination. Number 5. Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Lightstrip Plus 2M. This kit includes a 6-foot color-changing light strip and a base, perfect for setting the mood anywhere in your home. Use it in bedrooms, living rooms, or any space that needs a touch of ambience. For advanced features like worldwide control and automations, add a Hue bridge. It ensures a stable connection and integrates seamlessly with Matter for a complete smart home experience. Instantly transform your space with millions of colors. This light strip allows you to dim, brighten, and set the perfect mood right out of the box. Control your lights with simple voice commands. Set up voice control through the Hue app and use Alexa or Google Assistant for convenient, hands-free operation. Installation is a breeze. Attach it to cabinets, furniture, or anywhere you imagine. The included mounts allow you to bend it around corners with ease. Create the ultimate ambience with dynamic light effects. Customize brightness and color changes in the app to perfectly match your style and mood. What we like. This light strip offers millions of colors and convenient voice control right out of the box. It's perfect for setting the mood in any room. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, vibrant lighting solution for your bedroom or living room without needing a hub, this is a great choice. What people say. The light strip is very easy to install and set up. It's very flexible and can be bent to fit around corners. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is adjustable. Number 4. Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus. Introducing the Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus, a versatile smart LED light strip. It offers millions of colors and shades of white to perfectly set the mood for any occasion. This smart light strip seamlessly integrates with your favorite smart home ecosystems. It works effortlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit for voice control. Take full control of your home lighting wirelessly using your smart device. Set schedules to wake up gently with simulated sunrise or automate lights for when you arrive or leave home. Connect it to a Hue bridge to unlock its full potential and control your entire home's lighting. Enhance your experience with compatible accessories like dimmer switches and motion sensors. Crafted from durable synthetic polymer, this 80-inch light strip is designed for long-lasting use. Its flexible design allows for easy installation in various locations around your home. Transform your space with a spectrum of over 16 million colors. From vibrant hues to subtle shades of white, you can create the perfect ambience for any activity or mood. What we like. This option boasts extensive compatibility with various home automation systems, allowing for seamless integration. It offers wireless control to set lighting schedules, like waking up with the sun. If you're invested in a smart home ecosystem and want lights that work with your existing setup, this is the one to consider. What people say. The light strip is very flexible and can be bent into different shapes. It can be cut to size, which is great for custom installations. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is adjustable. Number 3. Philips Hue Lightstrip Starter Kit. Introducing the Philips Hue Lightstrip Starter Kit, your gateway to immersive lighting experiences. This kit includes everything you need to get started, including a 6-foot light strip, base plug, and the essential Hue hub. Elevate your entertainment by syncing your lights with your PC. With the Hue hub and our intuitive software, you can create dynamic lighting scenes that react to your games and media. Experience your music like never before. Wirelessly sync your lights to your favorite tunes using just your PC and the Hue Sync software. It's a simple way to bring your music to life. Enjoy seamless control with Bluetooth-enabled smart light strips. Connect up to 50 lights to a single Hue hub without impacting your Wi-Fi network, offering a truly hassle-free smart home experience. Installation is a breeze with the flexible light strip and included adhesive tape. Trim it to your desired length using the cut marks and extend it up to 32 feet for the perfect fit in any space. Control your lighting with simple voice commands. It's compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, making it easy to manage your smart lights hands-free. What we like. This kit comes with a Hue hub, enabling exciting PC sync features for gaming or media. You can wirelessly sync your lights to music directly from your PC. If you're a gamer or a music enthusiast looking to create an immersive entertainment experience at your desk, this starter kit is ideal. What people say. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus is a versatile lighting solution that can be cut to size and extended up to 32 feet, making it suitable for various applications. It offers millions of colors and shades of white, allowing for customizable ambience and mood setting. The light strip integrates seamlessly with the Philips Hue ecosystem, enabling control via the Hue app, voice assistants, and smart home platforms. Number 2. Litcessory 6-pin to cut-end connector for Philips Hue V4 Solo Light Strip. Make sure you choose the right connector for your Philips Hue light strips. There are 2 different 6-pin connector styles, so compare yours to the product images to ensure a perfect fit. Easily customize your lighting setup for cabinets, shelves, or ambient mood lighting. It's a simple way to achieve smart lighting. These flat, flexible cables with removable connectors make installation a breeze. They fit discreetly under furniture, along walls, or around corners without adding bulk. Enjoy consistent brightness and color accuracy across your connected light strips, supporting up to 33 feet without signal loss or dimming. The cable is UL listed for safety and intended for indoor use. If connecting directly to the Philips Lightstrip controller, you'll need our controller to 6-pin adapter. However, if you're using the Philips Hue system, no extra adapter is necessary. Designed for durability, these connectors come with a 2-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you quickly and hassle-free. What we like. This accessory is designed to cut Philips Hue light strips using a specific micro 6-pin connector. It allows for customization and extension of your lighting setup. If you've cut your light strip and need to reconnect it or extend its reach, this is the essential piece you'll need. What people say. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus is a versatile lighting solution that can be cut to size and extended up to 10 meters, allowing for customized installations. It offers millions of colors and shades of white, providing a wide range of lighting options to suit any mood or occasion. The light strip is compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling hands-free control of your lighting. Number 1. KFD 24V AC Adapter for Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus. Ensure your Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus stays brilliantly lit with this high-quality 24V AC adapter. It's designed to provide stable and consistent power for your lighting needs. This power supply is compatible with a wide range of Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus models, including the 2.0 and various extensions. It's the perfect replacement or backup for your existing setup. Rest assured with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, guaranteeing safety and performance. We also offer a 30-day free exchange and a 36-month warranty for your peace of mind. With an input of 100-240V and an output of 24V1824W, it seamlessly integrates with your lighting system. Enjoy uninterrupted ambience and vibrant colors. Please verify your light strip's model number or PN to ensure compatibility before purchasing. This adapter is specifically for the indoor Lightstrip Plus and not compatible with outdoor versions. This adapter is designed to power your creativity, allowing you to shape your environment with vibrant, customizable lighting. It's the ideal solution for any space. What we like. This is a certified 24V AC adapter specifically designed for various Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus models. It ensures a stable and safe power connection. If your original power adapter is lost or damaged, and you need a reliable replacement for your compatible Hue light strip, this is the solution. What people say. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus is a versatile lighting solution that can be cut to size and extended up to 10 meters, offering a wide range of color and brightness options. It seamlessly integrates with the Philips Hue ecosystem, allowing for voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, and can be synchronized with music, movies, and games for an immersive experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.